Oh, hey, gorgeous. We've missed you. You'll be running back to your old self.
Well, we made it home. Now it's time to tear into this and figure out what's going on with it. So thanks to the local O'Reilly's here, they had all 16 in stock. So what I'm going to do is replace all of these lifters. I didn't see anything wrong with the lifters that were in here, but we're going to put a new set of lifters in, and then we're going to start it up, and if it still makes noise, then we know it's a bottom end issue. Place your bets. Let's see. I think everything's done, at least to start. I don't have coolant in it. I don't have the coolant lines hooked up. I've got all the oil lines and everything hooked up, fuel lines. I don't have all the charge piping hooked up. The main goal of this is to see if it makes noise. So it's running, and the noises it's making now are normal, at least for this, and I found out why. So I was just doing some research, and the cam that I have, the lift is more than those factory lifters are supposed to handle. So what happens is that little dog bone lifts up off the deck and actually rattles. It lifts up, I think, 6/100ths. I can't remember what it was, but so that's what's chattering in there. So I've actually got a new set of link bar lifters on the way that I'll put in there from Howard's cams. I'll have to recheck my push rod length. Might have to get some new ones, but that's where we're at for now. I'm going to race it this weekend because it's the same as it was as I took it on race week and everything else. And so we're going to try to take it to the track Saturday and play around with the stick shift guys. So let's do this. Thanks for watching, guys. Drive fast, take chances. See you soon.